Hi and welcome to another rebuild and restore video. This is the Motomorini Miso 48, built in Italy and in Sweden. It's a custom-built 4-stroke moped based on the Isomoto 125 from 1950. But first, the short story behind it. The Iso company was mainly active from the late 40s until the 70s. From early days they produced heating and cooling equipment, but after the war they changed their production line completely. They started manufacturing scooters, three-wheeled transportation bikes, lightweight motorbikes and later even cars. Among them the Isetta, also produced in other European countries under license, and the Iso Grifo, an elegant and rare Gran Turismo sports car. But this bike is an early one. The Isomoto 125cc was produced in several different executions, with two main design differences. The early ones had small, only 12-inch wheels and two lateral springs for rear suspension below the frame. Both these features were scrapped. The wheel size increased to 14-inch and the rear suspension got the traditional swing arm execution with two vertical shock absorbers. This is the donor bike I found in Italy in 2017, and somehow I convinced the owner to sell the bike to me without the engine. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video on my rebuild and restoration of the Miso 48. Have a great day.